Welcome to eValuer, the digital assistant of every professional property valuer. eValuer has an easy-to-use mobile app and web app to assist you in creating a valuation report starting from site inspection to finally printing the report. Download the Android app using the QR code on your screen or the link below and install it in your mobile phone. You will have to allow the installation from unverified sources as the app is not available in Google Play Store now. Open the app and create a free account using our simple registration screen. Provide the necessary details like your name, email ID, mobile number, empanelment, address, etc., and click the register button. Once you have finished the registration process successfully, the dashboard page of the app is displayed. It asks you to create a new report to start with. The app helps you to capture the details of the property while you are doing a site visit. It requires your phone's location details for getting the geo coordinates, site address and other details. Select the format in which you want the report to be generated. This depends on the bank or the institution for which you are doing the valuation. You can see that all the details of your valuer profile that you have entered during the registration comes automatically filled up. Along with that, details sourced based on your location like street address, GPS coordinates, district, etc. also get automatically filled in the report. If you feel that the address is not accurate or your mobile's GPS needs a refresh, click on the reset button to reload it. You can fill in whatever additional details that you have in hand about the property during the site visit in the app. Also, you can take photos using your mobile camera and upload them in the app. Once you have completed the site visit, click on the Save button on the top of the screen to save the report to the server. Back in your office laptop or desktop, go to the website evaluer.podium.com and log in using the same mobile number or email ID and password that you have used for the mobile app. Go to the Dashboard tab and you will see all the reports that you have created here. Click on the Edit button of the latest report that you have created during the site visit. The report opens in the Report tab. You can see that all the details that you have entered while at the site is available here. You can fill in additional information available at office, edit some details entered from site or upload more images if you want. Once you feel that all the information for the valuation report are filled, click on the Save button. After that, click on the Print button for downloading the report. The report, in your desired format, gets downloaded to the computer and you can open it and verify if the details are correct. You can take a printout or attach it to an email to be sent to the bank or institution. All the reports created by you will always be available under the Dashboard tab, which you can edit and download as much times as you wish. Thank you for watching this video. Please send in your queries, feedback, complaints, bug reports, etc. to the email address evaluer@podium.com or the contact details provided below.